So you want to take a wig that's got these long layers, that's beautiful, has some nice bends and flips in it on the ends. But what if we want to go Hollywood glam? Well, look at this. This is what I'm going to show you how to do. This is taking this side. This is how the wig comes. This is Voice from Ellen Villa. And this is what we're going to end up with. And I'm going to show you how easy it is to use the 3-in-1 Air Styler curling tool. Let me grab it. This curling tool to put this kind of curl into a synthetic. So this is the 3-in-1 from Envy Air Styler, and this is Hollywood Glam. Right here, this is Hollywood Glam. So pretty. I'm going to show you how. So here we have a synthetic wig, yep, and we're going to apply heat to it with this 3-in-1 Envy Air Styler, and it's designed for synthetic wigs. I said that right, synthetic wigs, and I want to put in a Hollywood glam look, right? So this has soft and it flips at the bottom, but what if we could get some beautiful, glamorous curls in there, baked in with this Air Styler. So we've got the wand on here. I'm going to do 10 seconds, high heat, low air, 10 seconds, cool shot, and then I'm going to pin it just so I keep going around that side of it until we're done, and keep it out of the way of this. Can actually smooth that curl out if it touches that curl. So you want to use a clip, pin it up so this doesn't touch it and the heat doesn't touch it to lose its curl. So we're baking it in, okay? This has a ceramic rod on it. It's wonderful, low heat, it's not gonna hurt it. Let's get started and put some glam on this wig. The first thing I'm gonna do is take a section, and I'm gonna spray some of this Flex Hold from Beauty Mark. Which just comes from Wigs.com. I'm gonna spray some of this Flex Hold on it. We're gonna curl it, 10 seconds hot, 10 seconds cold. Then we're going to pin it and let it sit till we do the rest of the curls. So now that we've gone through and curled, let's take our clips out and let the curls down. I'm just going to lightly, just want to kind of go through the curls. Look at that bounce, look at the glam. Look at that. Isn't that pretty? Look at that. Isn't that gorgeous? Look at all of that curl we have in it now. The bounce, the curl. This side you can see is straighter and it has some flip here and it goes under there. But look at that. How much more glamorous this side is with all this bounce and curl. We can pick it up like that. We can always use some more flex. Remember, we have this flex and hold from Beauty Mark. So we can do it like that. Maybe scrunch it some with our hand if you want to get some more volume or to really pull those curls out. Just absolutely gorgeous. And now we have a synthetic curling tool, the 3-in-1 from Envy Hair Styler, that we can go from nice, wonderful, right? Just the way it came to full glam. Whatever it is that you want, your styling possibilities are in your hand.